velocity means the rate of motion. But velocity term is a general and it is of three types. It has the meaning of linear, angular and aerial. Three types of velocities are there. Here you are dealing with angular velocity. It is the rate of change in angular displacement. It tells that how fast the body is spinning and in which direction. Angular velocity is an axial vector. To find the velocity's direction, angular velocity's direction, we have to use right-hand curl rule. We curl our right-hand fingers in the direction of rotation. For example, this is anti-clockwise rotation. We'll curl the fingers of our right hand anti-clockwise this way, and the pointed thumb will give the direction of angular velocity. Similarly, if on the wall some rotation is clockwise, then we would say that angular velocity is normally inward. When it is anti-clockwise, angular velocity is normally outward. The three vectors are related this way. V is equal to omega cross r. All the three are vectors, and right hand curl rule or even the rule of cross product tells us that these three vectors shall be mutually perpendicular. If you want to remove the vector, this could be written like V equal to r omega, but here we are concerned with the values only, and that too when all are perpendicular, this condition will be self-imposed. When the fan is rotating, angular velocity will give the idea how fast it is. The idea of angular velocity helps in designing the machines and all that. When fans, washing machine, motors are running, we might measure the speed in terms of angular velocity only. And wheels are having angular velocity when car, vehicles, trucks, these are in motion. There are wheels, they are having rolling motion, but the speedometer will convert this velocity into the linear velocity. That is how the speedometer works. One thing should additionally be kept in mind, that when the rotation is being about a fixed axis, then in that case there is no possibility of change in the direction of angular velocity. In that case, only the magnitude of angular velocity may change. But when specifically in a complex type of rotation, it is told that even the axis of rotation is also getting rotated, then in that case possibility of change in magnitude and direction both will be there, as in the case of precessional motion. Precessional motion of a spin top, their axis also rotates. Then angular velocity will change. The direction of angular velocity is also regularly changing.